What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. If you haven't already, pause this video and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. And as the title suggests, I'm going to talk to you about something that is pretty sad to me, but I think you guys might agree with it. Now, I'm selling the E36, both E36s. This isn't a joke or anything. It just doesn't make sense right now in this point in time to be building a completely custom race car to hopefully be able to drift with. And I'll give you 3 reasons why right now. Number 1 is family. If any of you guys have family, you know how much time a family takes up. And with my job, which I'll talk about next, and everything else, I just really don't have the time. My daughter takes time. There, that is camera shy, needs time. And this thing right here, whatever that thing is, that needs time too. My house takes up a lot of time. Takes up most of my time. Obviously without my job, I wouldn't be able to pay for any of this. Wouldn't pay for any of this. You know. If you haven't seen my video talking to me about what I do for a living, go check that out. But I drive truck, and I'm home most nights, but 2 or 3 nights out of the week, I am actually staying over the road. So yeah, when it comes to time, it's not available. So what I'm getting to about time. My biggest thing is, and I've said this off camera to people, I've already been talking about this to people for a couple weeks now. If you probably can't tell the lack of videos, I've been pretty discouraged actually, or pretty unmotivated to actually work on this thing. So pretty much all I have time to do on this car is to do one task, and it has to be done right the first time. Now, they don't make kits for a small block Chevy and an E36, maybe an LS1 or LS2. When it comes to a small block Chevy, they don't make any kits for it. So I have literally one chance to get it right, and it never works that way. So I ended up wasting more money, more time to try to get things right, and just with everything going on right now, it's just way too chaotic. So essentially what the plan is I want to sell the car. I have it up for sale for $1,500, and that's with the parts car, all the parts that go with it. And essentially what I want to do is I want to buy like an E46 or possibly an E36 too. Something that is a 4-door sedan, so I can have her in the car with running and driving, full interior. I'll weld the diff. Thinking about doing like a turbo, and then we'll be able to just take it to the track, like haul it to the track, be able to drift it, get all the footage and stuff like that. Because right now we're not getting any driving footage, and I know you guys want to see some driving footage. And then we will go from there. So I hope you guys aren't disappointed or angry, and I hope you guys don't stop following my channel. There's going to be more content coming. Yeah, I have a bunch of people interested right now in the car and everything. So yeah. So essentially the whole point is I'm getting irritated that I can't drive the car. Everything keeps going wrong. Parts that I've made aren't working together right, and this is the first time I've ever done a swap like this. So yeah, I want to get a car that's running, driving, everything's good. I can take it down the street, I can go to the store, I can go shopping, I can take my daughter to the daycare, and then on a weekend I can take it up to the drift track and then drift the shit out of it and bring it home. And then for money wise and parts wise and stuff like that and channel wise, I want to be able to just like buy coilovers, install coilovers on it, buy camber arms, install camber arms on it, maybe like wide body and stuff like that, instead of non-stop videos of things not working together or having to redo things and stuff like that. So that's my whole thought process on it. Eventually we will do another full race car, something where I like put an LS1, or it'd be cool to do a 2J or something like that, but that'll be later down on the road. But so yeah, that's the reason why I'm selling this car. And I hope it doesn't make you guys want to leave my channel. I hope you guys still want to follow. And yeah, so if you guys haven't already, like I said in the beginning of the video, subscribe to my channel. Help me out a little bit. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day.